Hi all, my name is Lucia. I'm here to present Bridging Gaps in Washington's Oral Health, which is a research that I did as part of a class, and then I presented it in the Student Showcase of 2026. And it identifies disparities in Washington's oral health and introduces the audience to measure that Washington State has implemented in order to bridge those gaps. So oral health nationally and in Washington exists, and it's often remain unattended. It targets a specific populations, which is what creates that gap. We've seen that low-income families, especially children, are the ones that are the most affected by this gap. And for example, it has been found that third graders who come from low-income families or lower income families are more likely to live with untreated tooth decay than third graders who are from middle to high income families. And I've also talked about processes that Washington wants to implement in the community. For example, putting fluoride in the water, in the public water system. And this would be helping preventing cavities and other oral decays in the community. This matters because caries is the most chronic, or the most common, or is becoming the most common chronic disease in the United States. So being able to prevent this from becoming more common and bridging gaps so that populations don't have to be affected the most compared to other populations, it's something that needs to be done. In doing this research, I was able to apply skills that and learnings that I've been gaining from my classes. So it's been very gratifying in a learning experience, an educational experience, to be able to put all of everything that I've learned into this presentation and then presenting it in the student showcase. It has been an experience, my first experience presenting to a large audience and outside of a class. And it has been very motivational and also very gratifying, like I said. It wasn't as scary as I thought. So if you are all thinking about presenting or applying to present in the student showcase, I very much push you to do that, because it's something that will make you feel good. You will get recognized for the work that you've been putting in your classes, and you also get to experience and to learn from others. I've learned from other students about topics that I didn't know too much about. So this is not just an educational experience, but also community building experience. So it's a very good experience that the campus offers, so I would say go for it.